mean, I came to know that there are students from across the globe. Many students are here. I mean, it's a wonderful thing because they'll not only the medical education, but also they'll know about the culture of various countries and also interacting with so many people with a diverse background that makes them better individuals. That is one thing I liked here. I really feel that this institute is very good for the Indian students, not only Indian students, but students across the nations. That is how I feel. This is very important because I have seen the message of Mahatma Gandhi ji here. He said, if you want to have a better future, better tomorrow, better you do today. So if you do work today, if you do good things today, they are going to help you in the future. And also another thing what I have seen a quotation here. So it's very difficult to be a human being every day. So you need to be, it's a very difficult thing. So this institution also, the International Higher School of Medicine also teaches these things also. First of all, you need to be a good human being. Then you can be a good doctor. So develop good human being habits or the culture or the traditions or the practices for being a good human being, so that you can definitely become a good doctor. Yeah, Vedanta is a very important word in India. Vedas and Vedanta. So I'm very happy to see the name Vedanta here. And they have the best of the facilities here, including the CT scan, and you have the X-rays, and you have very good operation theaters, 3 operation theaters. And more than that, we have very passionate and dedicated people working here. Because always a patient wants somebody to look after, somebody to take care of him and console him and give him the best possible medicine and also the best possible procedures. I am very happy that International Higher School of Medicine is maintaining this, and also it exposes the students to the practical this thing. We have seen the simulation there, but here they get to see the real patients. So that also is a good combination, so that they go with the simulation experience and also experience with the real patients. So for them to practice and become good doctors.